In this video, we will understand pH scale and strength of acid and base. pH scale, a scale for measuring hydrogen ion concentration in a solution called pH scale, has been developed. On the pH scale, we can measure pH generally from 0 to 14. 0, which is very acidic, and 14, which is very basic. pH should be thought of simply as a number, which indicates the acidic or basic nature of a solution. On the pH scale, we see gradient colors. These colors used to recognize nature of solution with the help of indicators such as litmus paper or universal indicator. Litmus paper is a simple indicator which change its color whenever it emerge into acidic or basic solution. There are two types of litmus paper, red and blue. Red litmus paper change its color in basic solution. On the other side, blue litmus paper change its color in acidic solution. It is found that litmus paper only tell us whether the solution is acidic or basic. It does not tell us how strong the solution acidic or basic is. For this, we use universal indicator. Universal indicator is the mixture of different indicator. With help of this, we can determine strength of the acid or base solution. After changing color of litmus paper or color of the universal indicator, we compare the color with pH scale and notice the number on the scale with the color. If pH scale number is less than 7, then solution is acidic. If pH scale number is greater than 7, then solution is basic. If pH scale number is 7, then solution is neutral. pH scale number also indicate the presence of hydronium ion in the solution. Higher the hydronium ion concentration, lower is the pH value. The pH of a neutral solution is 7. Values less than 7 on the pH scale represent an acidic solution. As the pH value increases from 7 to 14, it represents an increase in hydronium ion concentration in the solution, that is, increase in the strength of basic nature of solution. Now let us understand strength of acid and base solutions. We can understand the strength of acid or base solutions based on their ability to conduct electricity, their pH values, and their effects on indicators. By understanding these parameters, we can determine whether acid or base is weak or strong. Now let's understand these parameters one by one for acid. Conductivity. Strong acid solutions conduct electricity because they completely dissociate into ions when dissolved in water. These ions enable the flow of electric current. Weak acid solutions conduct electricity to a lesser extent because only a small fraction of the acid molecules ionize into ions in solution. pH value. Strong acid solutions have a low pH value, typically below 3. This indicates a high concentration of hydrogen ions. Weak acid solutions have a pH value slightly below 7, indicating a lower concentration of hydrogen ions as compared to strong acids. Effect on indicators. Strong acid solutions turn blue litmus paper into red and have a noticeable sour taste. Weak acid solutions may not significantly change the color of litmus paper, but they may still taste sour. Now let's understand parameters of base one by one. Conductivity. Strong base solutions conduct electricity because they completely dissociate into ions when dissolved in water. These ions enable the flow of electric current. Weak base solutions conduct electricity to a lesser extent because only a small fraction of the base molecules ionize into ions in solution. pH value. Strong base solutions have a high pH value, typically above 10, indicating a high concentration of hydroxide ions. Weak base solutions have a pH value slightly above 7, indicating a lower concentration of hydroxide ions as compared to strong bases. Effect on indicators. Strong base solutions turn red litmus paper into blue and have a slippery feel. Weak base solutions may not significantly change the color of litmus paper, but they may still feel slightly slippery. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel.